Hi and welcome back. As you can see, I have my first Lollipop Box Club little package in front of me, and I haven't peeked into it or anything, so I'm just going to unbox this right here with you guys. So I'm going to start by cutting into it, and I can say right away that I just love that packaging tape they have. To me, that's attention to detail. Let me see what's in here. Oop, I forgot some. You will just have to excuse all the kids in the background. I'm not sure that you can hear them, but they are there and they are kids. So, let's see. Cute. A little tag that says love on it. Thank you, Anna. I hope you heart your treats. Lisa. I think this is also such, I don't know, to me that's so cute. And see. So we have this giant, and when I say giant, it's really huge paper clip with a little ice cream. Cute. And there's like a million. I did not get one, I did not get two, but 3 little lollipops. Oh my god. Oh, and I don't know, I'm going to start with the big things and work myself down. Oh, cute. We've got some, I can just pop this to the side. We've got some stickers. I really like those. And more stickers, I think. Or is it just a card? I don't know. They're cute. And some paper, note paper. And this week, perfect for my bullet journal. I think this will fit into one of my weeks, and then I just don't have to think about that week. That's nice. And then we have a June printout, and I have an idea for this one as well, and another June. Nice. So we can just put them underneath here so you can still see them. There we go. And then we have some pattern papers, and I've got some with polka dots on it, and a more florally one, and this green one. Love that color. Let me see, there's a bunch of them, and a flowered one, and a striped one. So 5 different pattern papers. So I'm just going to, because I don't have much room here, I'm gonna pop the package to the side. There we go. So, and this is probably one of the things that made me jump the gun. This is a stencil with stars on it. I think it's super cute and a perfect, I mean, as it's so tiny, it's perfect for both full 12 by 12 layouts or for a tiny layout, or for planners, or for I think the small size is a very useful size. There we go, and then we've got some washi tape. That I think is adorable as well. And there we go. It almost looks like scales. Cute. And we've got a rubber stamp, and this is exclusive to the Lollipop Box Club. And a little baggie of ephemera. I'm not going to dig into this because it will just get all over the place. Ooh! And I still haven't dug into the little bags. And we've got a pen. I'm going to see if I have a piece of paper that I can write on. Let me see. And it's blue. A very fine point. I like that. How fine is it? 0.5. Cute pen. Really like the color. And it's gorgeous. It says right here. There we go. Oh, and there are 2 DIY kits, and I'm going to dig into those as well. Oh, right. I think it is, yeah, for a shaker card. I think I will link down to the video that Lisa has, where she shows how to make a shaker dashboard out of this one. It's super cute as well. And I love the colors of these sequins. Oh my god. Cool. And it's by Geraldine Jane. And here you have her contact information. Oh, let me see. Oh, we're gonna take. So that's one DIY kit, and this is another one. Ooh, right. So we've got a couple of pieces of felt, and I think, oh, and we've got some magnets. I think we might have a pattern for, yeah, lollipop magnets. Oh my god. That is so cool. And there we have the size and shape for that. And I think I have some pearls that might go very well with this. Cute. Oh, where to put everything? Oh. Ooh. So this is our mystery gift, and it's got a tag and this super cute little cupcake. Oh, I think this is my favorite so far. So we've got a couple of Polaroid frames, a bunch of oh, there's a pine. Is that a pineapple? No. Yeah, it is. No. No, it's a candy. Oh, I'm going to put them together because otherwise I will just lose them. But I love buttons. I love them. And we have a bunch of little phrase pieces that says, celebrate special day, you make me smile, so yummy, love this and lovely day. And a couple of pieces of paper, perfect for making lists. I think I will use them for making packing lists because we are going to Legoland in June. And today's list, now treat yourself. That was cute. So that's the whole, I mean, as you can see, there's a bunch of things, and I mean, even the little baggies that everything came packed in is perfect for some sort of project. I have not yet decided what to do with all of this. I think I'll do, it feels like such a fun kit to do something together with the kids. Some of the things I will take for myself though, like this one. This is mine. And the pen. And that one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will get back to you soon. Bye!